everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm doing this charging test on iPhone 17. I have just inserted the charging and it's 15 minutes already. Here it's now 28%, it's 20 now, and you can check it out how fast the charging is. Under the 18 minutes it's 30%, so it's wow. And while it's charging, friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And while it's charging, then we would like to know about its specification and features. At first we will talk about its display. Then here the display is 6.3 inch. It's super retina XDR OLED display. And about its resolution, or you can say refresh rate, it's a 120 Hz refresh rate, and resolution is 2622x 1206 pixels at 460 ppi, and its RAM is 8 GB of RAM. So let's move on the rear camera. About the cameras. The camera, you will get it's a dual 48 megapixel system and camera, and the front camera is the 18 megapixel camera with autofocus. So now move on the operating system. It's iOS 26 with integrated Apple Intelligence features, and its storage is 256 GB, or there is options, then 512 GB. There is another variant, then it's 512 GB. Okay. And about the durable of this iPhone 17, then it's a ceramic shell to front, IP68 water and dust resistance. And the performance and powers of iPhone 17 is the A90 Bionic chip, which is built on an advanced 3 nanometer process, and it's providing significant performance and efficiency improvements over its predecessor, especially for an device AI and graphics intensive tasks. And the device is reported to offer up to 30 hours of video playback and even support the fast charging. As you can see, it's really fast. Under the 53 minutes it's 73%, and it's really the charging is fast. It's really the fast charger with a 40-watt adapter. And the iPhone 17 also brought several pro level features to the base model, so let's look it out. The base model finally includes the high refresh rate, which is technology previously reserved for the pro models, and its larger display screen size increased from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches. It's also upgraded ultra wide camera. The ultra wide lens is now 48 megapixel, a significant jump from the previous 12 megapixel. It's decreased the base storage. The entry level model now starts at 256 GB instead of 128 GB. And if we look at the base model features of 48 megapixel lenses, then it's main and ultra wide, offering high resolution photos on 24 megapixels and 48 megapixels option, and even it's improved consistency between the cameras. And in even it's upgraded the front facing camera with autofocus and the center stage features, which keeps you concentrated during video calls. And it's a 2x optical zoom in, 2x optical zoom out, 4x optical zoom range achieved through the 48 megapixel main sensor. As I have told you that the charging rate is now 90% in about just 1 hour and 23 minutes. And I have told you the adapter is the 14-watt of iPhone 17 itself. And friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And I would like to tell you that I have created so many videos about the charging test, battery drain test, even unboxing review, sound testing, and different types of content. And you can also suggest me which type of videos should I make. It will be helpful and easy to create more videos for me. And friends, while it's reached 90% of battery, little bit slower than as the from 1% to 80%, it's really fast charging. But from 90% it's little bit slower, so you have to wait. I think from 90 to 100 it may take some 50 minutes or 40 minutes. You can count from the timer just I have set. Okay guys, and it's only 93%, only 8% we need to be 100%, and it's really taking much time. Friends, please support me by just subscribing my channel and liking my videos and watching my videos till end. And here you can see it's now 95%, 5 points we need to be charged, and the timing is 1 hour 47 and some seconds. It's increasing fastly. So friends, from here you can count the hour, minutes, seconds. I may be confused while counting the timing, but you can suggest me on the comment. And now here we are 97%, so we need only 3 points. 3 points, it's we have to wait. It's now 2 points we need to be charged on iPhone, and the timing is fastly increasing too. And here it's 98, 2 points more, it will be 99, then it will be charged under the it's now 2 hour and 0 minutes and some seconds. It's 99%. So while it's reached 90%, the charge used to be decrease, I mean decrease, not decrease, slower to be charged. That's why I have to wait while recording this video. I have to wait for this to be charged. So here you can see friends, it's now 2 minutes and some seconds. I don't know when it will be charged. I think we need to wait for some 2-3 minutes to be charged now by 99%. Really, the 99% is really slower than to be charged to 1%. The 1% is charged in some seconds, but the 99% to be 100, it's taking much time. It's already now 4 minutes. You can count on the screen while it's 98 to 99, then now it's 100. Friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And here it's now 5 minutes and it's 20-30 seconds. It's running fastly. Yes, now it's 100%. So friends, it's 2 hours 6 minutes. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.